One of the best sneaker and hype collections in the Philippines, dare I say in Asia, and even in the world belongs to DJ Big Boy Cheng. He's actually one of my idols when it comes to collecting, and his spirit for generosity when it comes to giving back to the community. That's why I really support the guy as much as I can. But anyway, so as you guys know, Seth Fowler is here in the Philippines, and we were able to actually bring him over to check out the collection of DJ Big Boy Cheng. So expect a feature on the shoes of Big Boy on Seth's channel maybe in the next few weeks or next few days, depending on when he gets to edit them. So for this video, I just want to give you guys the behind the scenes. I want to give you guys some shots and some, clips of us going around, talking, also the behind the scenes of the unboxing that we did. So anyway, let's get right to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, we're here at the house of of course, DJ Big Boy Cheng, and I am with
hello guys,
Rab of Above the Ankles. We're actually here because we're going to bring along Seth Fowler to meet Big Boy Cheng, because I think any international YouTuber who comes here to the Philippines really has to meet Big Boy and at the same time see his insane collection. It's kind of like how we brought SneakerTalk over, remember? Christian, yes. Shout out to Christian, link down below to his channel. Christian, can't wait to have you back here in the Philippines. So anyway, so that's what we're going to do today. I'm not sure if Big Boy is, if Seth is actually already inside, or if we will just see him in a while later. But anyway, let's go. We're here inside and we have something new. This wasn't here the last time we dropped by. So we have a massive bare brick, exhibit with a giant BB-8 just sitting there. Looks really, really sick. Guys, this is the official tour guide of Casa Big Boy. The anti-shoe expert. Yes. And our guest for today, of course, the one and only Mr. Seth Fowler. Boom. And of course, the special guest. The real guest. Whoa.
You know, like every Supreme shirt. Oh my goodness, the Louis Vuitton, the Brooklyns.
Mike Tyson.
It's insane.
All kinds.
That's all Supreme, right?
Some are like Off-White, like North Face.
And the room has its own dehumidifier, so.
This is crazy. Does he wear all of this? No way.
The rotating sneaker thing of Big Boy's floor is now working. The last time we were here, that wasn't working. So now it's rotating with sneakers on it. So I'm with boss Randy Galang. Boom! Hi. Check out his Instagram account. Some of the dopest sneakers that you guys will ever find. Most of which are unreleased yet. So link to his Instagram account down below. We're actually about to do a Big Boy Cheng style unboxing. And of course we have Seth Fowler with us. And yeah, this is going to be sick, so let's go. These are the sneakers that we unboxed during the Big Boy show. Big Boy's YouTube video together with Seth. So this is the Balenciaga track in neon. I don't know if it's neon green or Volt green with, what do we call it? Jean? Adrian. J-U-An? John.
It's French for green.
Red. Ah, okay. So John and blue. So
what's the colorway of this again? Sorry.
Really nice.
Red, yellow, black.
And this one, this is the red, yellow, black. Gives a lot of Iron Man vibes. So if you take a look at that, I love the red, the black, the yellow. The transparent bubble here at the back looks like a really kick-ass shoe. This one really reminds me a lot of Iron Man. So yeah, make sure that you guys check out the video unboxing over at Big Boy Cheng's YouTube channel. I will put the link down below just in case you guys haven't seen it yet. And it features, of course, Seth Fowler. We also unboxed the Louis Vuitton Horizon AirPods, so in white. So it's really nice. You have the leather Louis Vuitton case. And even the cables are branded Louis Vuitton. So that's another item that we unboxed. And of course, we have this controversial sneaker. This is the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Static Reflective in black. But yeah, chances are that we will actually get to see a drop of this sometime in June when the black version comes out, the all black version, and most likely this static reflective version will be coming out alongside it as the special edition, but we're not really sure, so time will tell if that is what will happen. And of course, we have the Chanel Pharrell. So I have no idea how much this costs, but they just released this a few weeks ago. DJ Big Boy Cheng actually unboxed it, and man, it looks crazy. It looks like a white canvas shoe with Pharrell or his kids scribbling all over it. But yeah, this one is ridiculously expensive. Like one sneaker that is your favorite in DJ Big Boy Cheng's collection, which one would it be?
That is like the hardest question to ask anyone or any sneakerhead, whoever wants you or ever drops here, okay? Because there's like so many great things. You know what? I'm gonna go and be weird. I thought I actually wanted this, but then I saw the nerd one, the one in gold. It would have been that.
So let's go there.
Let's go there.
Show it around. Hey man.
What's up? What's up?
So that would be your favorite pair in the entire
Yes.
collection.
Ooh, this is China exclusive.
One, it's a China exclusive, right?
Yeah,
So
it
hey,
is.
Rab, we'll go in. Because the one is a China exclusive too. There's like so many cool. Oh my God, look at that. Look,
It's like an orgasmic. Look at the shoe.
look
Right
at
there.
that. It's like super bling on your feet, man. This is it. This is it.
That would be your pick.
This will be
And
it.
we go to the visitor.
What's
If
up?
you were to pick
Yeah.
one shoe, just one. It's like the toughest question. We ask Christian, we ask everybody who comes here, pick one shoe. Like your favorite in the entire collection. And of course, why?
Just one.
Just one. And I know it's hard because like you want to grab every single thing that's here.
I know, I can't. Oh my goodness. I don't know. It would probably be an Air Jordan 1 because I love Jordan 1s. And I don't know, there's so many.
There's just so many.
It's really.
Don't worry, it's the same feeling that we all get when we're here.
I don't know why I didn't prepare for that.
And all the visitors who drop by his place, it's really
Easy, we
hard.
got that. Oh my god, I have to film that after this. Oh my gosh. But those are great. I love those. But the amount of special stuff he has, I mean, it's. Yeah, I just have to pick something. I have to pick something.
Yeah, you have to pick something.
So if I'm picking one that's somewhat attainable, that if I randomly won the lottery, I could buy, I get the fragments. But if I'm picking something that's like dream shoe, like the Wahlburgers.
Easily.
Yeah.
Easily,
Yeah.
actually.
They're beautiful. I mean, then you've got I didn't even know. So these are the second release of the Undefeateds, which are only friends and family. There's only 30 of these, and these came out.
one is here.
One's right here. This isn't even the one that I didn't even know this. I knew the original release happened years ago. I didn't know that there was a second secret release. That's
Which
nuts.
found its way to the Philippines. All
It's
places.
nuts, and it's oh my god.
You won one of this,
I
right?
got that at ComplexCon. Yeah, I won one of those. Yeah, it was crazy. I had to wear it out too, so it's not DS anymore.
Also, after winning, you had to wear it out.
And then they actually took your shoes, and then they shipped me back my shoes with the box that these came in. So they were like, no, you're wearing them out.
Yeah.
Smart, it's a good way to go.
So that's it for the video. If you guys want to see more, 3 things. Number 1, you have to check out DJ Big Boy Cheng's channel for the unboxing that we did, featuring, of course, Anti-Shoe Expert, Ron, Aram, Randy Galang, Seth Fowler, and myself. So check that out. Link can be found down below. Number 2, watch out for the video that Seth will drop on his channel in the next few days or in the next few weeks. And lastly, also check out the channel of Hype Geek Colin, because I think he also shot the video wherein he took a look at some of the best sneakers in DJ Big Boy Cheng's collection. So guys, those are the 3 things you have to do. So make sure you check out those 3 videos in the next few days. And before we end, I just want to, remind all of you that we still have an ongoing giveaway. We are giving away 5 Vans sneakers, 4 of which are collab sneakers, which means they are rarer and more expensive. All you guys have to do to join is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Oh, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell. We will be announcing the winners for the Vans sneakers this Sunday already, and that right after announcing the winners, we will be announcing the mechanics for the latest and newest giveaway, which will feature the Realme 3 smartphone. So just right after giving away the 5 Vans sneakers, we will be giving away
a brand new kick-ass smartphone from Realme, the Realme 3. And after that, I have a bunch more, as in a lot of giveaways lined up, guys. So make sure that you are subscribed so that you can qualify and be part of the giveaways that we have on the channel. So that's it for now. I hope you guys had a great week, and I pray that you all have a meaningful holiday up ahead. For those who are living in the Philippines, we have an extended long weekend, Holy Week, which we call it. So apart from, you know, resting, make sure that you guys spend the week for what it's supposed to be. Okay? Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.
Hello! What's up? Shout out to Sebastian Armorosa and Poncho Yosef.
Boom!